coffee brewing, sunlight pouring in, and everything you need for life on the road right inside this van. Today, I'm going to take you on a full tour of this custom camper van and show you why it could be the perfect home on wheels for your next adventure. Hi, I'm Chris, and thanks for checking out another RAM ProMaster that we have for sale. This is a 2025 RAM ProMaster 2500 high roof, and this has the SLT options package, which features lots of awesome upgrades. It has automatic folding power adjustable mirrors, heated mirrors as well, 16-inch painted aluminum wheels, automatic LED headlights and LED fog lights, a nice chrome front grille, automatic rain sensing windshield wipers, and under the van there's a spare tire, and at the rear of the van there's a backup camera as well as the rear park assist system. Also included with the SLT package is the automatic adaptive cruise control with automatic stop and go, as well as a 110 volt power outlet in the front for charging, as well as upgraded LED instrument bezels. Let's go inside the van and see what else we have. Welcome inside the van. Starting in the front, we have both the passenger and the driver, both on swivel mounts. 360-degree swivel, so they swivel all the way around, and then they'll lock in the front position. Down below, we have a carpeted step with a built-in Velvet gasoline heater. Next to that, we have our bench seating area with two storage cabinets up above on automatic opening gas struts. The comfortable custom sewn cushion, the large storage ottoman for seating for at least 2 people, with a Lagoon swivel mount table, and you can swivel and adjust it however you'd like. Use it for both your driver, your passenger, or also use it for sitting here and enjoying a nice bottle of wine. Next to our bench seating area, we have our electrical panel. Starting from the top, we have a Renogy one-core system, which has Bluetooth connectivity to all your devices. Your inverter, your shunt, solar charge controller, and your DC to DC battery charger. You can monitor all devices from here, or also an app on your phone. Next to that, we have a Renogy inverter controller to turn your inverter on and off. Next to that, we have USB charging and 12-volt charging as well. Adjustable LED ceiling recess lights, as well as accent LED lights under the cabinets and footboard. A shower light, AC outlet, a water pump switch, and a water heater controller. And then down below that, we have the Velvet Bluetooth controller. And this is a gasoline heater, which hooked up to your ProMaster gasoline tank, so you don't have to do any filling of any extra fuels or worry about that. It has a built-in carbon monoxide detector, so it's one of the safest heaters out in the market. And it also has adjustability for automatic altitude adjustment. So if you go up in the mountains, you don't have to worry about any extra carbon buildup on your heater, which is awesome. So it's one of the best heaters out there. Next to the electrical panel, we have our nice standing 32-inch shower with a dual form, thick ABS plastic surround shower pan, RV shower with a nice RV faucet, trickle setting, Stoic Nautilus shower door, and that has the self-cleaning feature. So as it goes in, it squeegees off the water, so you don't have to worry about cleaning off your shower door at all. Across from the shower, we feature our large kitchen. It has a solid butcher block countertop, really fitting, extendable leaf, give you ample counter space. A ceramic farmhouse sink, a swivel faucet with both hot and cold water, next to that we have an induction cooktop, real glass ceramic backsplash tile, and then down below the sink is a Dometic CD50 pull-out style fridge and freezer. The freezer compartment's removable, so you can have the entire fridge be a fridge, a freezer, or a combination of the two as it is right now. You have 3 fully extendable drawers, and they are soft closing, but they have RV latches to keep them closed whenever you're driving. Next to the kitchen is a step up to the bed with a built-in safe. Plenty of room for all of your electronics and any valuables you might want to store in there. Floor to ceiling pantry, giving you plenty of options for any kind of storage space that you'd want. And then for the ceiling of the van, we did a cedar tongue and groove ceiling, a Max Air 7500K vent fan, which is the top of the line vent fan. It works in rainy weather, so you can be cooking, have nice ventilation when it's bad weather outside. Comes with a remote control, 10 speed automatic adjustment, and it's the best fan that they have out there. In the middle of the van, we have a Dometic RTX 2000 12 volt air conditioner. This is the top of the line 12 volt air conditioner out there on the market. You can run off the batteries in your van and run all night long. Super quiet, super efficient, awesome air conditioner. Finally, in the ceiling of the van, we have a Dometic Heki skylight. This has both a bug screen as well as a blackout curtain. I'll show you those. This is the bug screen, and you just slide it that way, and then the blackout curtain to keep all of the light out when you want to have a nice sleep in the morning. And then that opens up and provides lots of natural light as well as a nice airflow throughout your van. The footboard of your bed and the headboard of your bed are upholstered with padded marine vinyl, so it's waterproof, super easy to clean. Above that, we have additional upper cabinet storage, an 8-inch gel memory foam mattress, and then at the headboard we have 2 reading lights with built-in USB charging down below, and those are adjustable as well. And then next to the bed we have a custom made basket for storage as well. Down below the bed we have an easy pass-through garage, giving you easy access to all of your garage space, and also allows easy access for anything that you want to have that's long, that you want to have that goes past through here, like kayaks, kayak paddles, skis, or anything that's long. Let's go outside in the garage and check out what's down below the bed, which powers this whole entire van. All right, let's check out the back of the van where we house both our electronic as well as our water systems. For our electronic system, we have 2 300 amp hour batteries for a total of 600 amp hours. A Renogy 40 amp DC battery to battery charger, so that charges your batteries whenever you're driving off the alternator. A 3000 watt Renogy inverter. This is a new one I haven't used before. It's upgraded. It has a built-in transfer switch as well as Bluetooth, so you can monitor your inverter from an app on your phone, as well as the Renogy One Core screen inside the van. A 12 volt converter charger, so whenever you have shore power available, this will charge and maintain your batteries as well as power all of your 12 volt appliances. We have a Renogy 40 amp solar charge controller. So this charges your batteries from the solar panels on top of the roof, and we have 400 watts total on top of the roof, giving you plenty of solar power for all of your battery needs. Next to that, we have our circuit breakers for our AC power, as well as our fuses for our 12 volt power, and a solar circuit breaker as well. The entire system is designed to be hands-free, super easy to use, very user-friendly, and very accessible by providing wireless Bluetooth technology, and super easy to maintain as well as monitor all of the systems. On the opposite side of the van, we have a 30-gallon freshwater tank, C-flow 12 volt pump, an accumulator tank giving you nice constant pressure, a Bosch 4-gallon electric hot water heater. The freshwater fill is up here to fill up your freshwater tank. And we also have city water available on the exterior of the van whenever you have that available to power all of your water systems. Everything is plumbed in PEX plumbing, offering great winterability, expandability, so you don't have to worry about storing your van in the snow when it's freezing outside. All you have to do is just strain out your hot water tank. Finally, down below the van is a 14-gallon gray water tank. With the exhaust port right here for it. Super easy to access. Just pull this out to dump your gray water. Thank you so much again for watching this video, checking out our van, and we hope that we can make you the next customer for this van and you can start your next van life journey. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon.